Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Close CRM call recordings for deal insights, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Close CRM call recordings for deal insights, start by logging into your Close CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Calling option and click on it. Under the Calling section, find the Record Calls toggle. Switch the Record Calls toggle to the On position. Next, ensure that you have enabled call recordings at the team level. To do this, go to the team settings in the same menu. Select the specific team you want to enable call recordings for. Inside the team settings, find the Call Recordings section. Activate the call recordings by toggling the switch to On. Save the changes made to the team settings. Now, return to the main dashboard and navigate to a specific deal. Open the deal you want to add call recordings to. During calls with clients, recordings will automatically be generated. After the call, go to the Activity section of the deal. Here, you will see the recorded call listed along with other activities. Click on the recording to play it and review the conversation. Use these recordings to gain insights into deal progression and customer interactions. You have now successfully enabled and accessed call recordings in Close CRM for enhanced deal insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.